Hello there, welcome to my channel. There is a 50,000 USD in CyberFinance airdrop. Now this is actually coming from the official Telegram group, and it was posted by CyberFinance group. So what are they saying? They're saying get ready for our latest airdrop of 50,000 worth of CyberFinance. And that is CyberFi with CyberFinance. 5,000 like eligible winners will get rewards. So if you happen to participate in this and you happen to be among the 5,000 participants and you qualify, you may walk away with this airdrop. So what's the entry requirement? So you first of all have to post this. So they're saying entry, like and retweet. So all you have to do is you click this post and it will take you to Twitter. When you're in, you simply have to swipe up, then you like, and then click here, and then you post. That'll be gone. Then you hit back to Telegram. You click Trust Wallet, follow Trust Wallet. Okay, so all you have to do is you click follow and you follow them. Then you hit back again. You do the third, that is you follow CyberFinance. Yeah, I'm following them already. Okay, you hit back. And then they're saying complete simple tasks using Trust Wallet in at CyberFinance bot. So when you're done with those first three, the next thing that you have to do is to visit CyberFinance bot. Let me show you. Okay, so here it is. You have to open it. And when you're in, click earn. Then you'll see the task here. Okay, so you simply click it. Then you hit the first. So this is what we had done already, right? You like and repost. Then you hit back to CyberFinance. Come on, I have done this. I'm saying I haven't done the task. So I click quote and then repost that. Then I also go extra miles by tagging this. Then I'm gonna hit back to CyberFinance. So you've seen the first one has been done, and I have been given I've actually been given the first award. So the next thing is I have to download Trust Wallet. Unfortunately, I already have Trust Wallet, but I'm just gonna click it, and I'm gonna walk away with 35,000 CyberFinance coins. Let me punch in the passcode, and I'm in. So now it's loading, it's connecting to CyberFinance here. Boom. So I've actually been given 35,000 CyberFinance coins. Now saying now you can close this window and return to the Telegram app. Okay. 35,000 CyberFinance coins. Okay, so now they're saying add Trust Wallet BEP20 address, and just for doing that I'll be given 60,000 CyberFinance coins. So what I'll do is I'll head on to Trust Wallet, open it. I'm gonna punch in the passcode. Okay, so once I'm in, I can actually punch in the search bar there. BEP20. Let's check. All right. BNB Ethereum. Well, click here. And then we click receive. You copy what you're gonna see there. And then we head back here. Okay, so after pasting it here, all you have to do is you hit check. And it has been submitted. So we now click follow CyberFinance on X. I'm already following them. Let's go back. We are following them. And let's go back. That has been ticked. Let me say follow Trust Wallet on X. You're following. Let's go back. Oh my God. Let's go back. Boom, it has been ticked. So I've done this. I'm only remaining with the first one. Okay, so since I already have Trust Wallet, I did this at first. Let me click it again. Punch in the password.